Hi, I'm Loryan Strant, and in this episode of Work From Home Warriors, I'll be talking about the Logitech Meetup, a video conferencing device to use at home. Now, normally the Meetup is actually something you would see in workplaces, in offices, in conference rooms, in huddle spaces, those kind of things, because it is designed to be a corporate grade conferencing device. Now, the camera actually comes with a 120-degree field of vision, as you can see here. You can see my entire space. It comes with built-in speakers and microphones, which are all high definition. Now, the thing is, you'd be wondering, why am I looking at using this particular camera at home? Well, because for starters, I'm using this camera exclusively for video, for speakers, and also as the microphone. So as a work from home warrior, it just means I've got less hardware to play with. So I don't have to worry about having a speakerphone if I want to be, if I want to actually have people on call. It also means I don't have to necessarily worry about charging and carrying around with these. But what is great about it, apologies for that, is that from a meeting space perspective, normally when you're actually having a conference call with somebody who's working from a laptop, working from home, they're actually sitting right up at the camera because, you know, the laptop's right in front of them. Where this is different is you can see this is my meeting space. So this is my meeting room. It's my dedicated home office where I do effectively nothing but work from here. So the difference here is that it's almost a like-for-like meeting experience between a home user using the Meetup and a office-based user. So instead of it being, as I said, a camera right up in your face, so that people in the office are seeing that really right up close to them, what they're actually seeing is me in a meeting scenario. And because of this field of vision, I can actually walk around. Now, I've got hardwood floors, so unfortunately that introduces a bit more echo. But as you can see, I can walk around my space, so it can be a normal meeting experience for me. And I'm also using a standing desk. So I think if you're serious about working from home and you've actually invested in a proper space, you've actually fitted it out with things like a standing desk potentially, external monitors, docking station, that kind of thing, because you are serious about working from home, then you want a serious conferencing device, because that is something that you're also going to be doing quite a lot of, instead of, you know, a webcam. Because if you think about it, a good quality webcam is going to set you back about $200 odd. Good quality headset is also going to set you back about $200 odd. Or if you want a speakerphone, again, $250, $300. So the reality is you're always almost getting up to the price point of the Logitech Meetup Pro anyway. So why not spend those extra dollars and have all-in-one? Means I'm consuming less USB ports, which is actually a precious commodity these days, and I've got a better experience. Now, this particular camera can actually do a follow me type scenario where it can actually just follow me around the room. I tend not to use that, it's a little bit disconcerting, so I just prefer to have it on this large field of vision. Now, the other thing as well is with some tools like, for example, Microsoft Teams, you can use things like background blur. But as you can see here, this is a home experience, apart from like a little bit of a pile of notes that are not mine. Underneath the table, it's a pretty neat meeting space or working space, so I'm not that concerned about blurring the background. But yeah, as I said, this is a fantastic unit for work from home people if they are serious about working from home. Not the occasional I would take a day from home a week, but people who actually do a lot more productivity from home and who have a lot of conference calls. This is a fantastic all-in-one device. So thanks, you've been watching Work From Home Warriors, and I'm Loryan Strant, and this is the Logitech Meetup.